In this Arduino tutorial, we will learn how to make a LED sequencer and how it works. Here we have used 8 LED for sequentially blink. This is the third part of the LED sequencer tutorial. The circuit diagram is very quick simple. The LED are sequentially connected to pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here we have to connect 8 LED with 800 ohm resistor, which limit the LED's forward current. This is our example code. First we have to define LED pin connection. In this case, the pin number 1 of the Arduino board is connected to LED 1, pin 2 is connected to LED 2 and so on. We have defined a character variable whose name is I. In the setup, we have to define the LED pin mode. In this case, pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 of the Arduino board is an output pin. In the loop section, we have to create 2 for loop for LED are periodically activate and deactivate. The first loop activates the LED are periodically for 100 milliseconds. Here we have set the value of I variable to 1 and we have imposed a condition. We have increased a value of I 1 by 1 with each loop rotation. We will high specific pin for 100 milliseconds. The second loop deactivates those LEDs are periodically. Thanks for watching. Visit my website for more tutorials and videos.